Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Talie and I'm back with another video. So today I will be doing the jumbo box braids. But before we get into the video, I just want to give a huge shout out to all my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And from my old subscribers, go and big up on yourself. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Let's get into it. So I already went ahead and sectioned my hair and secured it with a rubber band. But we're not going to use any rubber band to do the braids. The only time we're going to use the rubber band is when we're going to do the crisscross at the extreme top. So watch closely guys. So I'm going to start off by removing the rubber band, then use my ear wax to base the hair or to create a sense of neatness before I start the braiding procedure. This technique that I'm using is similar to the knotless braids, but it's not going to be the knotless. We're going to have knots in this procedure. So I'm going to begin by sectioning the box into 3. Then I'm going to do my 1-2 crossover, and then I'm going to add the braids. Now because I'm using such a long braid and I'm going for a particular length, I'm not going to do any feed in. I'm just going to use the amount of braids that I'm adding and then plait all the way through to the end. Now guys, the moment I discovered this technique, I fell in love because I definitely don't like anything too tight on my scalp. So this is working wonders for me. You can try it guys, you can try it. As you can see, I'm taking my time and braiding all the way through because rule number 1, when you're braiding long, the braids tend to tangle very quickly. So just take your time and plait light. Now I realize that when you plait the hair very light or braid it very light, it tends to have a sense of lightness on your head. So when you catch up your ear or when you go for pull it up top and wrap it around, it don't feel heavy on your head. It's very light, and trust me guys, it's very light. So I went ahead and I did the rest off camera. Now we're at the extreme top. We're going to conduct the crisscross and then we're going to feed in the braids. So watch closely guys. So let's go again. So after I'm through removing the rubber band, I'm going to use my ear wax to base my hair, section it into 3, and then I'm going to do the 1-2 crossover. Then I'm going to feed in the braids, plait lightly all the way through to the end. Remember to do it very slow because you don't want to be tangling in our braids. Now we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye!